This message was transmitted by the request of the Nashville Police Department. Everyone get to your homes immediately. There have been reports of a giant strange creature roaming around the streets of Nashville. Police are getting information about the giant strange creature, but all residents must stay away from this strange creature. If you see it, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for any updates on the situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the Nashville Police Department. The giant strange creature, who appeared in Nashville an hour ago, has been reported to destroying buildings and attacking civilians across Nashville. For your own safety, please listen carefully to this update. The giant strange creature has yellow and green skin, a red hair on top of its head, red eyebrows, black collars, one white teeth, and eyes without pupils. This creature is extremely hostile towards humans and animals. All residents of Nashville must evacuate immediately. Stay tuned for any updates on the situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the Nashville Police Department. The giant strange creature, who attacked Nashville, has now been identified. It is the famous Mario character Bowser Jr. Or people call him Baby Bowser. He is the one who attacked Nashville, but his name is actually Mega Baby Bowser. Mega Baby Bowser is from the game Yoshi's New Island. All residents must stay away from Mega Baby Bowser as he is extremely dangerous. If you see Mega Baby Bowser, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for any updates on the situation.
This is NBC News. I'm David, and this an update that Mega Baby Bowser is destroying buildings at his path. The police are trying hard to take this creature down, but having trouble due to his extreme powers. In addition, Mega Baby Bowser had killed 1,000 civilians across Nashville. We ask all residents to evacuate right away. If you encounter Mega Baby Bowser, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for any updates on this situation.
Welcome to the United States News. I'm Paul Dickinson, and this an update that Mega Baby Bowser from the game Yoshi's New Island is still destroying buildings at his path. He attacked by using his fire to burn down the buildings. At this time, many homes are destroyed due to him, but we asked all civilians to leave the area and shelter immediately. That's all I have for now. This is Paul Dickinson, signing off. Welcome back to the United States News. I'm Paul Dickinson, In this an update that Mega Baby Bowser continues his rampage across Nashville. The military are trying hard to take him down, and we have a reporter Alan to talk about what is going on. How is everything going down here, Alan?
It is pretty chaos here. As you know, Mega Baby Bowser is attacking everyone that's in his way, and I don't know how he got here in the first place. Also, the police confirmed that they unlocked a dinosaur that can save us. It is a green dinosaur with orange shoes and has a white belly, and 3 spikes on its back head, and a red shell. The name is not identified at this time. Oh no, I see Mega Baby Bowser approaching and now he's coming at me. I need to get out of here.
Oh my gosh, Mega Baby Bowser just ate Ellen alive. Anyway, all residents must stay in your shelters until Mega Baby Bowser is defeated. That's all I have for now. This is Paul Dickinson, signing off.
Civil danger warning for the state of Tennessee. The following message was transmitted by the request of the Nashville Police Department. At around 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Mega Baby Bowser had killed the news reporter Allen and multiple citizens, and destroying buildings with his fire breath, and eating civilians across Nashville. The police unleashed the green dinosaur and it will be arriving in Nashville. All residents must stay in your shelters immediately. Stay tuned for any updates on this situation. The following message was transmitted by the request of the Nashville Police Department. A tsunami warning is issued in Tennessee. A very dangerous large tsunami has been reported to in the river of Nashville. It was caused by Mega Baby Bowser. He jumped into the river and made a huge tsunami to destroy Nashville. All residents of Nashville must evacuate immediately from the tsunami. If you refuse to evacuate, you are putting your life in extreme danger. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation.
Welcome back to NBC News. I'm David, and this an update that the tsunami, who created by Mega Baby Bowser, is finally over. Also, there is a creature with glasses and holding a wand who was helping him. The name is unknown at this time. Also, the green dinosaur was identified. His name is Yoshi. Yoshi will be arriving soon. All residents must remain calm as Yoshi is on his way to Nashville. Stay tuned for any updates on this situation. Welcome back to NBC News. I'm David, and this an update that the creature who was helping Mega Baby Bowser is identified as Kamek. He had been reported to float civilians with his magic wand and them flying. All residents of Nashville must stay indoors until an all-clear message is given. Wait a minute. What was that? It sounds like someone had broken into the NBC headquarters. Who was that? Who the heck was that? Oh no. It's Kamek. He broken into the NBC headquarters. I've got to get out of here. Oh no. It looks like he got me. Why are you carrying me? Let me go. No, please stop. I said let go.
National alert, national alert. The following message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The creature identified as Kamek had broken into the NBC headquarters and attacked David. The green dinosaur Yoshi will be arriving soon in 25 minutes. All residents must stay in your shelters immediately so an all-clear message is given. If using Mega Baby Bowser or Kamek, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the Nashville Police Department. An Amber Alert was issued for the state of Tennessee. The police are looking for 2 children that were abducted from their homes in Nashville. The first child is Tony James, a white male, 4 years old, with brown hair and black eyes. He was last seen wearing a dragon shirt, black pants, and brown shoes. And the second child is Molly Wendy, a white female, 5 years, with brown hair and blue eyes. She was last seen wearing a flamingo shirt, blue pants, and yellow shoes. The 2 children were abducted by Kamek. Yoshi will be arriving in 20 minutes. If you see the 2 children, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for any updates on this situation.
Welcome back to the United States News. I'm Paul Dickinson, and this an update that Kamek from Yoshi's New Island has been reported to put bombs into people's houses that could kill them inside. These bombs are extremely dangerous. Also, the 2 children were found safe in the mall. The child abduction emergency is now over for the state of Tennessee, and Yoshi will be arriving in 7 minutes. All residents must remain calm as Yoshi is trying to save us from Mega Baby Bowser and Kamek. This is Paul Dickinson, signing off.
Hello, and welcome back to NBC News. I'm Dave, and I will be replacing my friend David, since he got attacked by Kamek. Anyways, Mega Baby Bowser has gone way too far, as he is destroying everything in his path. Yoshi is now arriving in Nashville. It looks like he's throwing giant eggs at him. All residents must stay in your shelters immediately. Take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phone, chargers, and battery power radio with extra batteries. If you see Mega Baby Bowser, Call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for any updates on this situation.
This message was transmitted by the request of the Nashville Police Department. All clear, I repeat, all clear. Mega Baby Bowser is now defeated by Yoshi, and now he returns to his normal size. Then, Kamek then took him that they will never come back. All residents, Mega Baby Bowser is defeated. I repeat, Mega Baby Bowser is defeated. You can leave your shelters now. However, it could take a very long time to repair the damage that Mega Baby Bowser and Kamek caused. We thank you for participating in the emergency alert system, and thanks to Yoshi for saving us. Normal programming will now resume.